गोवा शिक्षण संचालनालय आणि IITGच्या जोडपालवान सायबर एज योजने अंतर्गत मेळपी लॅपटॉप वाडपाचो कार्यक्रम सुकूर पंचायत हॉलात जालो. महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे हांच्या हस्तुकी विद्यार्थ्यांक लॅपटॉप दिले. ह्या वेळार अल्दोणचे आमदार ग्लेन टिकलो आणि हेर पदाधिकारी हाजीर आसले. RDX गोवा खातीर सुकूरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
We are giving, government is now giving focus on infrastructure. IIT infrastructure where you can come and set shop and start plug and play, start doing business, start having self-entrepreneurship, employ people around you and start having a business model along with you, which will not only allow you to earn money, but which will allow you to connect with the world. And here world connection, there are a lot of opportunities which will be coming now in this IT sector. We have been talking about IT park in the past. We have been talking of electronic manufacturing cluster in the past. We are looking at Goa to be in a much more bigger avenue. When we talk about Invest India, we are looking at Invest Goa, the right type of investments which are pollution free, which can give jobs to Goans, which can create opportunities for Goa, which can increase and better the economy of Goa. This is what we are looking for. And this is the gap which is there today, which will only be filled by people like you who can be good citizens. And yes, environment तुमचे तीनही स्किलांचे बरे आसा. Government has tried its level best to see that the future of the child is to be there. कित्याक 12वेच्या भुरग्याक फाटल्या उलयना, पण 12वेच्या भुरग्याक फुडें दिवन लॅपटॉप एक्झाम लागीं येतकच it makes no use. And sometimes that it is that आमका लॅपटॉप दिवन फायदो कितें. And as you go through social media and forums, I would like to give a small bit of advice to my friends who are students here today. You are the next generation. Social media कशी वापरप हे तुमकां आतापर्यंत कळपाक जाय.
Yes, these laptops should be used in the right perspective to gain knowledge and for a purposeful use. I understand all of you are very nice students, good students, and today we have Google, today we have SETI, tech, everything, and we have to get the maximum knowledge, and having the maximum knowledge is going to benefit you people.